Hi and welcome to MU Library's tutorials on exam supports. In this tutorial, we're going to look at how to search for information and credible sources for exam preparation by using library search. We're going to start from the main library webpage, and if you're off campus, you'll want to scroll down until you find the box on the left-hand side that says also in this section, and you're going to click to log in through off-campus access. Once you've entered your login details, you'll be brought to this page and you can access library search through this link here. If you're already logged in or you're on campus, you can access the library search through this box on the main page. Once in library search, there are two main ways that you might be looking for information and sources. You might already have a reading list and know exactly what books and articles you are looking for, or you might be searching for a topic more generally to find a variety of different sources. As an example, let's say that you're looking for a text by Dale Shunk called Learning Theories: An Educational Perspective. You can copy and paste the title of the book or article from your reading list straight into the search bar and then have a quick search. And ordinarily you will find the book or article that you're looking for fairly high up in your search results. If you're having difficulty finding the correct book or article, you can go into Advanced Search. And in the drop-down field on the left, you can choose author and you can include that as one of your fields. So you could leave the title as the title that you pasted in. You could add in author, and in this case, his name was Shunk. And that should narrow your search results down to make sure that you're finding the exact source that you're actually looking for. If you want to branch out beyond your reading lists and search for a specific topic or expand your understanding of a specific idea that you've come across in your course, you can try doing a search for a topic. So let's say, for example, educational psychology. Because educational psychology, as an example, is a very broad topic, you can see that the first few results are actually journals rather than journal articles. If you feel this search is still too broad, what you can do is add another keyword to your search. So you could say, and third level, for example, and see if that brings up a better selection of results for your question. If you're studying from home and you know you won't have a chance to access the library, you can make sure that you refine your search by full text online. And what this means is that all of the results that come up in your search will actually be available for you to read in their entirety online without having to access the library. And so, for example, to access this journal article, you can simply click full text online. You can open it in a new tab in order to preserve your search results, and you can open as many as you like and come back to them. And ebooks as well will have this full text online link for you to follow, and then to access that book you can either choose to read online or download the book. Just as when you're writing an essay, when you're doing your exam prep, you're going to want to make sure that you're getting your information from credible sources. And the best way to do this is, first of all, to make sure that you are finding your resources from library search, because the vast majority of the information of the articles and books and so on that you're going to find through this search are going to be scholarly and peer-reviewed. But if you want to make sure that the articles that you are finding are peer-reviewed, you can further refine your search by clicking on the scholarly and peer review refining option. This may be particularly useful if you're finding that your search results are bringing up a lot of magazine or newspaper articles, but you can see that the peer-reviewed articles and books have this little peer review symbol to the left of their results in the search. And so if you see this, you know that the information that you're finding in this source is going to be of a high quality and is going to be helpful for you in your exam preparation. If you have any further questions, you can pop a question into the library chat box on the main library webpage.